Ever tried to roll back partial MongoDB writes and watch the corrupted data just sit there? That's exactly what happens when you skip transactions. To use transactions in MongoDB, start by calling startSession on your Mongo client instance. This returns a client session object, a scoped context that MongoDB uses to track everything belonging to your transaction. Think of the client as your database connection and the session as the dedicated workspace your transaction lives inside. Without this first step, there is no transaction. With the session in hand, call startTransaction on it. This is the moment the transaction officially opens. You can optionally pass a read concern and write concern to control isolation and durability guarantees. From this point forward, every database operation you run through this session is part of one atomic unit. Here's what beginners most often miss. You must pass the session object to every operation inside the transaction. Insert on, update one, delete one, all of them. MongoDB uses that session reference to group the writes together. Wrap your logic in a try block. On success, call commit transaction to make the changes permanent. If anything throws, call abort transaction to roll every write back cleanly. One infrastructure caveat. MongoDB transactions only work on a replica set or a sharded cluster. They are not supported on a standalone server, so confirm your deployment topology before building transaction logic. To summarize, call startSession on the client, call startTransaction on the session, then commit transaction or abort transaction to finish. Subscribe for more interview prep. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.